Hello everybody, today I'm going to be filming an unboxing video. I kind of already started, but I decided I wanted to film this, so I didn't really unbox anything really fun or until, but I can show you. I got these glue pins that have like a really fine point to them. So, and then I got these Amazon Basics tape roll, like double-sided adhesive rolls, so that you can just do this when you're trying to tape stuff. I've seen them on a lot of videos and it looked a lot easier than what I was doing. So I got some of those, and then I got some of these plastic blocks to put like clear stamps on, and it came with these clear stamps. Oops, sorry. And it came with these clear stamps. And I really love this one. I love wildflowers and stuff, so I'm really looking forward to using those. And I have a bunch of other, pretty much all my other stamps are clear stamps. And it'll be a lot easier to stamp them with the stamping blocks than what I have been doing. That's the boring stuff. Now for the more exciting bit. I think next we are gonna go with I think I'm gonna go with my jet pens order next. I'm going to cut the box open with the key. And get it. Okay, maybe not. Let me turn on the light. Better. Oops. Sorry. You fell. Okay. So, I have my order slip. And I ordered a bunch of washi tape and stickers this time. This first one, I have another it's like a nature wildlife one. I have the other version of this, which is like for plants. And I decided this time to get the animal version so I can have, it's basically like encyclopedia pages for different animals. So like this. And I have the other one that's for plants. Oh, putting this back on so terribly. Okay. And then I got another set, which is crystals that I'm going to be using for, I have plans to make alright. Sorry if smell that. It's apparently storming right now. But I got a crystals washi tape to go with a journal that I'm making. It's going to be like galaxy, crystal, new agey theme with lots of like blues and purples and stuff. So that'll be used for that. And then I got some plain washi tape to just use in my regular journals if I don't want to use, brightly colored washi tape, because that's usually what I have. I have very like pattern or brightly colored, and I don't really have any like plain washi tape, and I kind of really wanted some because I'd seen a YouTuber called Jordan Clark. Love her videos. They're so relaxing. And I'd seen her videos, and she uses washi tape like this, which is like very plain, but it looks so like nice and aesthetic. And you put it in like a really vintagey but like minimalistic journal. And I got 2 washi tapes that I would plan on using like that. And so I had a hard time finding it until I went looking on JetPens, which is a great site. You should definitely go visit it. Not spawns, obviously, but I've ordered quite a few things off of their website, and I have been very pleased with what I've gotten, especially their washi tapes. Like, not only do they have like good quality washi tapes, but you get a lot of washi tape too when you order it from them. It is like more expensive in places than Wish, but it's not that much more expensive. And honestly, I'd rather spend, $3 on a roll than $1 for the amount that I get with JetPens. But also, if you like any kind of stationery stuff, especially Japanese stationery stuff, I'm having a hard time getting this. There we go. This is the other plain washi tape I got. And then I got some stickers. From JetPens. So these are the wildflower ones. And I just thought they were so cute. And I've been really into wildflowers lately. And so I decided, why not? And then this is their like cactus and succulent ones. So, alright. Well, that's it for JetPens. So now we are going to look at, I believe one of these is from Wish, and one of these is from AliExpress. I just tried AliExpress for the first time. I'm not sure which one is which. Okay. We're gonna open this one first. Oh, okay. So this is from AliExpress. This is a pencil pouch I ordered off of AliExpress. Hear that thunder? I love thunderstorms. I feel like they're just like the best things to like sleep to or relax to, especially if you don't have to like be outside or anything. Okay. So here it is. And open it up. It's purple. I'm so happy. I love purple. You probably noticed that soon enough, but I love purple. And it's pretty spacious, too. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's just a little plastic sack, but it does have a very chemically smell to it, though. Like, it very much smells like cheap plastic, but it feels pretty solid. And I like the color. It's pretty big. It's about the size I thought it was going to be, so it's good. It's good. I like it. Alright, and then last thing opening is this package. And you're gonna see what's in here. So I'm guessing this also is from AliExpress, I believe, if I'm remembering correctly. It is! Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. So, this is what it looks like. These are, or ordered these wildflower stickers. Like I said, I'm really into wildflowers right now. Isn't this the cutest little envelope? Okay. See these? Oh, these are just adorable. Yes. Okay. So these are some wildflower stickers that I ordered off of AliExpress. Nice little rose. And they look like these. They're like vellum paper stickers, so that they're like transparent when you lay them down, so they blend right into the paper. I love stickers like that. I love stickers that just like blend right into the paper, so they look like, and I love because they're like, because look, they're like little sketches, so they look like when you put them down, they'll look like you just drew in your journal, but you just put a sticker down, so you didn't have to actually draw. So, and there's I believe there's 60 of them. And I love this envelope, and I'm definitely keeping this envelope. Actually, I might just keep storing them in here, and then I might use the envelope later. Because I started doing pen paling. I have pen pals now, and I just put one letter in the mail, and I have another one that will be going out at the end of this week. And then I'm doing a trade with someone from the Netherlands next week, at the end of next week. So all this stuff is going to really come in handy because I'm going to be doing a lot of crafting and envelope making. In order to make sure my pen pals get some really nice stuff. So that is it for my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. I hope everyone has a wonderful and creative day, and goodbye.